Hello guys, so today we will discuss the MVC platform of the ASP.NET. In this platform, we can develop the enterprise application for the different scenarios. Like you can use the ASP.NET MVC core application for the multi-platforms like the Linux, like the Windows and so on. And you can also develop the ASP.NET MVC platform for the API development. First of all, we see that what is MVC? MVC is architecture software design pattern that is used for developer interactive application where their user interaction is involved and based on the user interaction some event handling has occurred. It is not only used for web-based application, but it can be also be used for desktop or the mobile-based applications where there are the user interaction is involved. So we can say that MVC is the journal platform. We can develop the any type of the application for mobile, for desktop applications, for the cross-platform application, and so on. MVC design pattern was introduced in 1970s that basically divides an application into three major components: model, viewer, and a controller. The main objective of the MVC design pattern is the separation of the concerns. So, separation is the basic concern of this MVC type application. It also consists of the entity framework development approaches and the model binding, which means the domain model and the business logic are separated from the user interfaces. As a result, the maintenance and testing of the application becomes simpler and easier. It is also consists of the unit testing, security, and the mobile application development. In this type of the application, we have the support of the rich controls and the tools that is provided by the Microsoft. Event-driven web development, it is also the main development features of the MVC applications and so on. So first of all, we see that what is the complex UI? Complex UI means we have the many challenges that we have faced in the development platform. And the developer wants much testable codes as possible. Multi designs or the test driven interfaces required. Model view controller is increasing testability, better designs. Model model consists of the business logic of application. Model is the component in the MVC design pattern that manage that business data or domain data instead of the application in the memory. The model contains a set of the classes that represents the data as well as the logic to manage the data. So in our example, the model is consist of the business informations and the logics and the validation also. Next one is the view. The view is the component in the MVC design pattern, which render the model data as the user interface with which the end user can interact. So the view create the user interface with the data from the model. We will see that how we can create the view from the model by the help of the Visual Studio. This course we will see that we will develop an enterprise application with minimum coding efforts with the help of the Visual Studio. Last one is the controller or the presenter. Controller is the component that contains the control flow logic. It is the one that will interact with both models and the views to control the flow of the application and executions. We'll see that in the Visual Studio how we can automatic or auto-generated controller can be created in the Visual Studio. We'll also see that the entity framework model in detail in this course. This is the first video of this series of MVC application development platform. The next video, we will discuss the how we can develop the MVC application in the Visual Studio and how we can create the ASP.NET core application and how we can create the ASP.NET API application development from the Visual Studio. So first of all, please subscribe our channel and you can see the detail of this course, connectteacher.com. You can find the links of this detailed description, description. So please subscribe our channel for further videos. Thank you.